welcome to another video. Today I am announcing the sign up for the KB Pattern Swap Summer 2019 edition. That's a lot of words. I've been running the KB Pattern Swap for a couple of years now and it's proven really fun, and I do a Christmas edition and I do a spring summer edition. This is going to be a more summer edition because I'm announcing it a little bit later than I usually would. So what is the KB Pattern Swap? It's very simple. You send your names to me, I put them in a hat, I pair you guys up, you start stalking each other's styles. You can either send your partner a detailed list of patterns that you would love to try, or you can leave it up to them to choose something for you that they think that you would like and would really suit you. I do suggest you give your partner at least a little bit of some guidelines of what sort of thing you like to sew, your experience with sewing, because you don't want to be given an advanced pattern if you've only just started, and vice versa, you don't want to get a really basic pattern if you think you want to challenge yourself a little bit more. So discuss amongst yourselves the types of styles that you like, the types of things you like to sew, and what you might like to try. Maybe something that you've kind of put off because you think is a little bit scary, you might want to give it a go. I would highly recommend sewing books. I got the Named Patterns Breaking the Pattern book for Crystal for Christmas, and it was a genius idea because she gets way more than one pattern and there was some awesome stuff in there. So that's a really handy kind of trick to think about and have a look at. If there is a sewing pattern book that perhaps your partner doesn't have and has mentioned, that is a really great way to send them a lovely gift. And with that information you put together an amazing parcel for your partner of a pattern or a number of patterns and some small little bits and pieces just to round out the parcel nicely. In the past I have sent glass coasters that are made on the Isle of Wight, I have sent vodka that is made on the Isle of Wight, I've sent Isle of Wight centric presents in with the pattern that I've sent my swap partner. So something from your local area that you think your partner would like. It's a fun way of getting to know some other people in the sewing community, of maybe thinking a little bit outside of your usual style box and sort of having a look at somebody else's style and thinking the things that you would maybe like to see them in, things that you think would suit them that they may not have tried for themselves. So it's just a fun way of kind of interacting with other people in the sewing community and getting a lovely little gift in the post. If you would like to take part, this is what you need to do. The sign up is running until the 31st of May, so you've got plenty of time to decide if you'd like to take part or not. And if you would like to take part, what you need to do is email me all of the details that I'm going to ask for in a second, and my email address is here, and I will also have it in the description box down below. There are some rules and they are as follows. Sign up date is the 31st of May. If you don't get your name in before the 31st of May, I'm not going to take any late entries this year. So make sure that you get all your details over to me before the 31st of May 2019. If you miss this deadline, I will be running a Christmas edition again later on this year, so you won't miss out on all the fun. Rule number 2 is that the parcel cannot be valued at more than £20, and that is for customs and import duties. You can send gifts up to the value of around £20, but anything over that, your recipient could be liable to pay for customs fees, which is definitely not what you want if you are sending or receiving a present. So make sure that you keep the value of your parcel under £20 or your local currency equivalent. Rule number 3 is that you must be willing to ship worldwide. Now, last year I managed to pair up everybody with somebody else from a different country because each country has great resources. So for example, if you get paired with somebody from America, they get amazing sales over in America, so you could definitely have a look through some Vogue and McCalls, Butterick, Simplicity, all of those. Simplicity sometimes go on sale for $1.99, so you can imagine you could get quite an amazing parcel from your American partner. Then we in the UK, we have some amazing indie designers, as they do in France. New Zealand, I was paired with lovely Melanie for Christmas and they have paper cut patterns over there. Then I got the amazing Dilek as well from Germany, and there was the Schnittchen patterns, and again I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but there are different resources from different countries, so I do like to make sure that everybody is paired up with somebody not from their own country. So if you enter, you must be willing to post your parcel abroad and take into account the cost of postage for that. It could likely be about the same amount as the parcel itself. Rule number 4 is that you must have some kind of Instagram, blog, YouTube channel, somewhere that you can share your goodies that you've received, but also somewhere that your partner can stalk your style and see what sorts of things that you like sewing and what they might want to get you that might be a little bit of a challenge. And rule number 5, the reveal date is the 31st of July, so you have got plenty of time. Once I've paired you all all up on the 31st of May to stalk your partner's style, to chat amongst yourselves, to decide what patterns you're going to get them, get hold of those patterns, put the bundle together, get it posted and get it there on time. You don't have to have made your garment by the 31st of July. There is no rush. I've got patterns from two swaps still, so my last summer swap and my Christmas swap that I still need to do. So you don't have to have your garment sewn up by the 31st of July, you just need to reveal your parcel. If you have a garment to sew, that's amazing, but you just need to reveal your parcel using this hashtag. So when you send me your details, make sure that you include your full name, your full address, either your Instagram, your blog, or your YouTube channel details. If you have one, a Pinterest board for pattern inspiration and patterns that you would like, and a little bit about yourself so that you and your partner have a jumping off point to start the conversation. So I'll go over the rules really quickly once more. You need to enter before the 31st of May, and I really won't be taking any late entries this year. Please keep your parcel to under £20. You must be willing to ship worldwide. You must have an Instagram, blog or YouTube channel. I think I've covered everything, but if you do have any questions, please let me know in the comments section down below and I will do my best to answer them. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!